The Del Mar College Dental Assisting Program is offering free x-rays by appointment on Thursdays and Fridays through April 21st, 2011. The service is offered in the Dental Clinic and Health Sciences Building 1 on the college's West Campus. Appointments are required.
We do in the spring complete free full mouth x-rays, and in the summer we do complete pans, panoramic through this machine right here. The service between both is at least $200, and it is free to the public.
I've always been kind of obsessed with people's teeth. It's just a habit I've had forever, and I didn't realize that Del Mar had a dental assisting program, and when I was looking into getting into a career, I came across it and decided that that's where I wanted to go.
The benefit to the student is hands-on experience. Okay, they get a little, I mean, of course they work with mannequins in the fall, and that's how they start, and they do several x-rays at that time. But now the spring they progress into patients, so it's a whole different ballgame. So it's a hands-on experience for them. By the time they get to work, they've done several x-rays, so they know, because this is a big part of their life.
They examined all my teeth on the top and the bottom and put whether I had cavities or molars or all that good stuff. And then like after that, my mother came and took x-rays of my teeth, first on the top and then on the bottom, and then like when I bit down on my teeth. So it was an experience.
The appointments are scheduled on Thursday afternoon between 1 and 4 or Friday mornings between 9 and noon. As long as they pass the qualifications of the 3 years, because by law it has to be 3 years between a full mouth, which is what we're doing right now. So they can come in the spring and have a full mouth, and they can come back in the summer and have a pan.
Each appointment lasts approximately 1 hour. To schedule an appointment, call Del Mar College's Dental Assisting Program at 698-2854.